Air Sea Containers Limited have a range of UN-approved 4GV fiberboard boxes suitable for shipping dangerous goods by road, sea or air, utilizing non-specific inner packagings packed with vermiculite. Available in 5 sizes, our 4GV fiberboard range allows for goods to be shipped up to 65 kilograms gross package weight and is immediately available from stock with no minimum order quantity. Assemble the box. Begin by unfolding the box and sealing the bottom flaps with 75mm adhesive tape in a U shape. Place the supplied liner bag inside the box and add a layer of vermiculite at the bottom before placing your inner packaging in the box, ensuring minimum space as shown. Completely fill all remaining void space with vermiculite, ensuring a minimum layer at the top of the box. Seal the liner bag with 75mm adhesive tape. Finish by closing top flaps and sealing closed with 75mm adhesive tape in a U shape. Your product is now correctly packaged and ready for appropriate hazard labels to be affixed along with all necessary consignment information ready for transport. For more information about the 4GV range or any other Air Sea packaging, visit our website or drop us a line at sales@air-sea.co.uk.